In the last video, I have revealed how I cracked a 10 LPA job, meaning $12,500 job without any college, without any professional degree. October 2023. It was around 8 p.m. and I was just about to have my dinner. And I got an SMS at the same time. I checked my mobile phone and it was from the bank, and it stated that my account was credited with $80,000. If you haven't watched that video, link is in the description and in the I button. Go watch that video first. In that video, I have clearly mentioned that LinkedIn plays a vital role for me getting that job. In this video, I will reveal the secrets, the tips and the tricks that I have used to get that job. So watch this video till the end. If you follow these tips and tricks and the secrets that I am going to share, you will be able to land, you will be able to crack your dream job. And before that, please subscribe to my channel, smash the like button, comment down your name so that everyone sees that you are watching this video, and share it to your WhatsApp groups. And now let's begin. So the job market is competitive more than ever. The market is full of qualified individuals, full of qualified people, and it is really difficult for individuals to differentiate themselves, right? वो कैसे अलग है उसको दिखाना जरूरी है अभी, and this is really getting hard and harder. Without using the proper strategies, without using the proper tricks and proper planning, an individual won't be able to differentiate himself and get what they actually deserve. And in this video, I will let you know how you can achieve the target, how you can land your dream job in 2024 with utilizing these tactics. Okay, so stay tuned. You should know that the employers, the recruiters, the hiring managers are actively looking for the individuals who has some differentiating factors than the crowd, right? And they are looking for the individuals who has online presence. And LinkedIn can be useful in that part. If you leverage LinkedIn, then you can showcase your skills, you can give your online presence, and you can be on the top of the list that recruiters are searching. So standing out from the crowd is really important than ever. Now the question is, how do LinkedIn gets you your dream job in 2024, right? ये क्वेश्चन थोड़ा मुश्किल है, लेकिन इसका आंसर भी उतना ही सिंपल है. The answer is simple and the roadmap is also simple. You build up your skills, then use LinkedIn to showcase that skills, then build networks here, and then approach to the companies through the networks. LinkedIn is the best place to do all these. Let's walk through the roadmap, and remember, the right opportunities are waiting for you. Just you don't know yet how you can pull them or how you can grab them, and now I'm here to let you know from my own experience. The first step of getting your dream job is knowing the skill set needed for that job or required for that job. For example, if you want to build softwares for Google, then what you need to learn? You need to develop as a coder to get that job. So once you finalize that skill set you require for, now it's time to learn it. There are multiple courses, multiple free and multiple paid courses available in online. You go to YouTube, Udemy, and various platforms, edX, so you name it, Coursera. These are the platforms that you can access those content, enroll in those courses, and devote yourself at least 6 months, minimum 6 months. Devote yourself to that one single goal, to learn or to become an expert in that field. Trust me, if you go invisible for 6 months and learn one skill like crazy, then you will become exceptionally well in that field and you will become an expert in that area. Trust me, I have done that in 3 months because I went like crazy. I haven't went to any parties, I haven't done anything besides done learning and learning and learning. Just like the Brock Lesnar said, eat, sleep, conquer, repeat. I did the same 3 things: eat, sleep, code and repeat. I have already mentioned this in the last video. From experience, I can assure you that anyone can become expert in any field if he spends 6 months of time in that particular area like crazy. That's enough, and you can do it too. Don't go to parties, don't watch movies, don't talk to your friends, Don't attend group meets. Just avoid everything until you become expert in that one particular field, and then return and then come back after 6 months with the new version, with the updated version of yourself, ready to take the world, ready to conquer the world, and ready to crack the job you have dreamed of. Once you have that one skill set in your tool belt, now it's time to leverage the LinkedIn. And before discussing that tips, please make sure you have subscribed to the channel. Subscribe it right now. Smash the like button. Write your name in the comment box right now so that everyone can see your name and share this video to the WhatsApp group. Because I have a special bonus offer for you at the end of this video. Watch this video till the end to claim that bonus as well, which is made specially for you. Now let's talk about optimizing your LinkedIn profile to make a lasting impression on potential employers. Point 1. Professional profile pictures and compelling headline. First impressions matter, right? So अगर आप डेट पे जा रहे हो तो वहाँ पे भी आपका फर्स्ट इंप्रेशन बहुत मैटर करते हैं कि आपके रिलेशनशिप चलेगा या फिर नहीं. सेम केस हियर, ए गुड लुकिंग ए प्रोफेशनल प्रोफाइल पिक्चर significantly impact your credibility and your approachability. It's essential to select a high quality professional looking profile picture that reflects your personal brand. कि ऐसा नहीं कि एरे गेरे ने प्रोफाइल खोल लिया, ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए. It should look professional and standard. Your headline is equally important. It's the first thing that people notices or people watches after watching your profile photo and your name. A compelling headline should succinctly convey your professional identity, your expertise, and your future aspirations or your career aspirations, and communicate your value proposition to the employers. Point number 2, well-crafted summary showcasing your skills and aspirations. Your LinkedIn summary is your chance to tell your professional story, your skills, and your aspirations. A well-crafted summary should provide a glimpse into your personality, your career journey, and your future goals. It is an opportunity to highlight your unique strengths and what sets you apart from other candidates. Emphasize your skills, your experience, and what you can bring into the table, because a compelling summary can pique the interest of the employers and prompt them to explore your profile. So this is an important part. Point number 3, detailing your work experience and skills. Here, highlight your professional accomplishments, experiences, projects, and responsibilities in each role. Use action-oriented language to describe your contributions to the projects you have done so far and the impact you have made in those roles. Additionally, make sure to list your skills and your endorsements prominently. This not only helps the employers to understand your skills or your expertise, but also helps you to appear in the relevant searches that employers do to research the candidates. By optimizing these 3 points I have shared till now in your LinkedIn profile, you can enhance your visibility and appeal to your potential employers in 2024. Now the next point is point number 4, uploading your resume and all the certificates that you have. It's crucial to upload your resume, okay, and your experience certificates. I mean the certificates that you have collected this far relating to your skills, relating to the job you want. You upload all in the LinkedIn section, which you can highlight. This increases also your credibility, your trustability, and this makes your employer more impressed to your profile and to approach to you. By presenting your updated resume and your achievements in your LinkedIn profile, you provide a holistic view of your professional capabilities and your achievements, further strengthening your profile's credibility. If you want to learn how to build your updated resume so that you can get your dream job, to get the opportunities you deserve, I will cover the topic. I will cover how you create the resume in the next videos. But you have to subscribe to my channel right now, hit the like button and comment down your name so that I know, everyone knows that you are watching this video. And don't forget to also share it to your WhatsApp status to help your friends as well. And don't forget about the bonus offer. Your bonus offer is waiting at the end of this video. Now the final point is building strong network. One of the most significant advantages of a robust LinkedIn network is access to the hidden job opportunities. Many job openings are publicly never advertised and are filled with through referrals or recommendations. A strong network in your LinkedIn profile can provide you with the valuable referrals and recommendations. So building a strong network here is a trick point that you should never miss to track on those opportunities, to lay your hands on those. Networking on LinkedIn also allows you to follow the thought professionals, the leaders of the particular industries that you are seeking the job from, and they can give you the insights what they are looking for. They can give you the insights what are they expecting, what are the job openings, which will help you to grow in your career pathways. Expanding your network in LinkedIn also increases your visibility within your industry and beyond. By actively building and nurturing a strong network in LinkedIn can give you a wealth of opportunities, support, and resources that can directly contribute to your job search and career advancement. So this is it, guys. These are the strategies and secrets and tips you need to follow to get your dream job through LinkedIn. And I don't see any other platform that helps you get closer to your dream job other than LinkedIn till now. These are the simple tricks, but most of the people miss it, but I don't want you to be one of them. Okay, don't just wait, go apply this knowledge, go apply everything you have learned in this video and be an action taker. And now finally to the bonus offer that I have promised in the middle of the video. If you want to become financially successful, if you want to become famous, then you need to learn a lot. You need to read a lot of books like the world's best successful persons living right now. You name it: Elon Musk, Jeff Bezos, Bill Gates, Ratan Tata. They all read books every single day. But I do understand that we don't have that much of time, we don't have that much of money to read all those books, right? So I present you the solution for it. As a Gen Z, we need to do everything faster and quicker. We find the ways how to do it faster and easier, right? So I have a solution for you, this book called Crushing the Secrets. Ta-da! If you don't buy this book, Crushing the Secrets for Money and Fame, then you have to spend more than 2000 rupees and more than 8 months of time to read all those 12 books that are filtered and condensed in this one single book. This book is the solution to read all the top 12 books in the world in just 3 weeks and at a price of lesser than just one book. Here, if you click the link given in the descriptions right now, you will get 92% off at rupees just 49, and you don't have to spend like 2250. Invest 49 in your own career right now. Okay, the choice is yours. If you want to buy a cup of coffee at 60 rupees in this evening, or you want to invest just 49 to excel in your career to get the growth you want, the choice is yours. I'm MEGHRAJ signing off.